Black Lang, Kosiko, Tabana, Yelisa, JK.
Bro, be saving Yelisa and we replace with Maya.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another exciting video. So guys, the nomination process is complete, and the pairs that are up for possible eviction is Kosiko, JP and Luke, Black Lang, that is Black Boy and Ipeleng, Yenisa and the last person, Maya, that is Marvin and Yaya. So KANAGA and Blue Eva, they won the head of house challenge. So KANAGA and Blue Eva are the head of house for this week. So they replaced, they saved Yenisa and replaced Yenisa with Maya, that is Marvin and Yaya. So guys, yes, so that is how the nomination session actually played out this night. And I think, looking from the things, I'm actually scared for some people like JP and Luke. I don't know how strong her fan base are, and who's Maya and that's Marvin and Yaya. Also those two, I'm also scared of them. I don't know. For Kosiko, that is Kosi and Miracle, I strongly believe that they might survive, you understand, because from how Kosi have played her game, I think she have gathered, fans. I think she have gathered fans, and even Miracle too, like people, started liking him from one or two drama he put up and all of that. So I think Kosi have actually gained ground, like she have gained her ground, like, you understand. So I'm actually scared for those people, but then again, it's a game, so anybody that is a game, you understand. So somebody has to live for other persons to win. Yeah, somebody have to live for other persons to win, you understand. But just like some of the nominations this time around, it came as a shock to me, because most of these people, I think this housemate this season, they're actually playing games. Like, nobody is like, this is my person or something. They are trying to eliminate those people who are their obstacles, that will stand in their ways. Like, some of them said it's a game. After the game, we can be friends and stuff. So this actually said that these people, they actually came for the game, nothing else. Like, they came to win the money, play the game, have fun and all of that. Then after the game, they can then make friends. Because from the nominations, some people that nominated some people, I was shocked that Melly nominated Kosiko, despite the fact that Kosi and Melly are kind of close. Do you understand? So, like, guys, I don't know, what do you think about this today's nomination? Share your thoughts in the comment section, and yeah, share your thoughts in the comment section. These guys, do you think these guys are here to play games or what? So that is it. So that is it for this that is it for the video, guys.